Good Saturday morning, guys. Today we are heading from Sofia to Blagoevgrad in Bulgaria in order to capture 2 cell towers for a large telecom provider here in the country. So we will capture the cell towers with some drones and some 360 cameras. Let's hit the road. This is one of the more beautiful cell tower locations here. I really love when we're scanning cell towers and we get such a site here, which is up on a hill, and you can see the village down in the valley, the mountains, nice weather, spring is coming, and actually right next to the cell tower we have a church, which we are of course gonna visit. We can even do a drone inspection of that also. So that is really cool, combining like infrastructure inspections, real work, with also some cultural inspections and some religious tourism and stuff. So I really like my job. Okay, so we've got some keys here from the cell tower company. Now we have to see which ones fit. Check out the code. 2 seconds. Okay, this one. Perfect. Okay. Normally on these ground-based towers, GBTs they're called, you can access the house itself with the master key. Okay, so you have one set of keys that basically works for all the ground-based towers. Here you can see. We open. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is now the other small room here where we need some special keys. In this case, let's check out. And this is actually the server room where we need to capture the equipment. Sometimes the keys are a bit rusty. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now we're inside, and we basically need to capture a lot of images with the iPhone, with a normal smartphone, of the details here, of the numbers, so the cell tower company knows exactly what it looks like inside. And we will also do maybe 2-3 panoramas with Matterport. After that, stitch them into a virtual tour, so they get like a smooth walkthrough in the entire house and through all the rooms. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the Matterport camera we will use to capture some 360 panoramas of the inside of the small house. Okay, so let's get started. Let's unfold the tripod. The Matterport camera is officially turned on. Now we will use a normal iPhone, or you can use any smartphone to connect with the Matterport. You need obviously to get the Matterport app, but we'll go to Wi-Fi, and now the Matterport should appear here as a network. Wait a bit to connect. Okay, now it's connected, perfect. And here we have the Matterport Pro 2 is appearing as the capture camera, okay, which is very, very nice. So we can basically start scanning right now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now we capture the space with Matterport. We will now just capture maybe 15-20 images of the details here on the equipment. So let's get started. You see here all these logos and numbers. I don't understand anything like what they mean, but it's most important to just capture. Also the safety equipment we have here, the fire extinguisher, this one, very important. Also the light works. This one, and this equipment here. So now we will open these ones here. So this is also done with a master key, which is universal for every ground-based tower. Capture the details here. This one. Yeah, that's it basically. So this was the interior capture. Okay, so why is Matterport so important for cell tower houses or cell tower stations? Well, we have the cell tower obviously, and we have a small house, and more technically it's called a retranslation station, which basically contains all the servers, all the machines, and all the equipment connected to the cell tower, okay? And by capturing these rooms with Matterport, we create a virtual tour which is very visually comprehensive and compelling to the cell tower owners, okay? So they can see exactly where what equipment is located and what shape, of course, the equipment has, if it's old, if it needs replacement, and this is key for cell tower inspections, okay? So now my colleague is capturing with Matterport, and let me capture the cell tower with a drone. Let's get started. So now we're basically finished with the exterior capture with the drone. We captured around, I don't know, I think 1,000 images in 12 minutes. After that we'll go home and jump to the computer and upload all the images into the program, into the software, and then generate a 3D model of the cell tower. And this will essentially be the deliverable we give to the cell tower owners. So why is a drone-based cell tower inspection so valuable? First, we have accuracy, because after orbiting and capturing hundreds or even thousands of images with a drone of the cell tower, we will generate a very accurate 3D model of the cell tower. Cell tower companies and engineers interested in the quality of the cell tower will be able to access this 3D model and zoom in on the details, and they will get a digital copy of the cell tower. This is super valuable and is much more accurate than a physical inspection where technicians take like separate notes or some separate images. Whether here with a 3D model you have everything in one place. Let's go around the corner and see how the cell tower looks. See, it's quite tall. These details are actually also quite important to capture like the quality and the state of the roof here. So which shows if the roof actually is waterproof, right? You can see here the ladder